To mark the takeoff, we begin with an array of colors to represent the 29 participating nations, soaring high and aiming higher. In 2023, India hosting the G20 Leaders Summit for the first time sets another benchmark in the nation's commitment to democracy and multilateralism. G20 firmly believes in the transformative power of digital innovation and technological advancements. In today's interconnected world, technology has incredible potential to drive inclusive growth, improve governance, and bridge the digital divide. And let's not forget the pressing challenge of climate change. A globe, a system and symbol of unity. Together, we work towards the integration of diverse socio-economic systems. Our vision is countries coming together to create customized solutions and frameworks to recalibrate and invigorate their economies. Within the dynamic sphere, something extraordinary is happening. With over 1 million startups, 10,000 incubators and accelerators, and 750 unicorns, the G20 nations are at the forefront of innovation and entrepreneurship. They are playing a crucial role in advancing technologies in areas such as education, agriculture, healthcare, energy, and climate resilience. Startup 20, the vibrant engagement group of the G20, is a dedicated platform for startups that embodies a powerful mission, conceptualized and initiated under India's G20 presidency. The G20 represents 85% of global GDP, 75% of global trade, and 2/3 of the world's population. This is the first time startups have received a forum under the G20 umbrella, showcasing their importance in shaping the global economy and society at large. Dedicated to harmonizing startup ecosystems within the G20 member countries. Foundation, alliance, finance, inclusion, sustainability come together and make things move like gears of a well-oiled machine. Startup 20 understands that each country has its own strengths and challenges, and that's where the magic happens. The task force within Startup 20 collaborate and work together smoothly, focusing on academics, institution, and finance. Foundation, alliance, finance, inclusion, and sustainability make up the network of task forces in Startup 20, fueling innovation through diversity and inclusion. The platform thus created is a collaborative community where entrepreneurs, academics, innovators, and policymakers connect, learn, and grow, nurture new ideas, and make breakthroughs happen. Beyond innovation, Startup 20 embraces social responsibility and inclusivity. It values leaving no one behind, especially marginalized groups like the LGBTQ+, as well as patient capital sectors. By providing socially cognizant toolkits, Startup 20 empowers individuals and communities to overcome challenges. New ideas form the core of any kind of innovation practices, and for any new innovation, it becomes reality. It needs the support of capital or finances. Financial inclusion is at the core of Startup 20's mission. It believes that all aspiring entrepreneurs should have access to resources and ample support to thrive. Innovation takes birth in sync with the evolution of customers' expectations and demands, or vice versa. Either way, organizations innovation and compassion run together, where entrepreneurial teams find fertile ground to grow and flourish. If you look at history, innovation doesn't come just from giving people incentives. It comes from creating environments where their ideas can connect. Where every individual, regardless of their background, financial conditions, can turn their aspirations into reality. Startup 20 will extend grassroots measures like financial benefits to startups that promote access to healthcare, safety, education, childcare, essential services for women, and other critical challenges. It will also enable access to capital through financial literacy, funding opportunities, educate people on emerging technologies, and foster development through specially designed mentorship programs, which will ensure the unhinged growth of the startup businesses and rapid economic growth and equity. Startup Group has promised a funding of $1 trillion investment in the global startup ecosystem by 2030. By facilitating this infusion, Startup 20 aims to support and boost the growth of startups worldwide. Innovation, collaborations, and entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Startup 20 can serve as a global hub to facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing between leading startups and governments. It will also commit to bringing digital transformation to every person on the planet so that no one is denied the benefits of digital technology. Spreading the benefits of digitization and new technologies have been recurring goals of G20. Brazil is set to host the G20 annual meetings in 2024, working closely with the Troika to ensure a seamless agenda transition. Over the past 2 decades, Brazil has pursued an active foreign policy, strengthening relationships with key nations and emphasizing the importance of international institutional reforms. With the COVID-19 pandemic and the other global challenges, Brazil seeks collaboration within the G20 to address issues impacting the developing world. With pride, we pass the torch to Brazil. One Earth, one family, one future. The ethos of India's G20 presidency is the Sanskrit phrase Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, speaking of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and encouraging responsible choices for a sustainable future. Under this theme, India places a strong emphasis on inclusive economic growth and sustainable development. It will also address income inequality, work towards eradicating poverty, and promote sustainable practices to ensure a better future for all. We should strive to have a unified stance on harnessing the power of digital transformation and technological innovation and bridge the digital divide. The purpose is to make sustainable lifestyle a mass movement which will lead to sustainable energy. A drone light show, ladies and gentlemen, in place of traditional pyrotechnics. There's always an option for choosing sustainability. It is a proud occasion for every Indian. Taking the order of the G20 presidency, birth of Startup 20 under the Indian presidency of G20. We wish that all of you will act as an agent of change and wholeheartedly participate in this unique celebration in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we should make the Indian presidency of G20 a catalyst for global change. Startup 20, a catalyst of limitless and positive economic growth all over the world. We should strive to have a unified stance. And the ethos of India's G20 presidency, that is the Sanskrit phrase, Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam.
Awesome. Superb.